Hello everyone. Are you a data engineer or getting started with Databricks? Here are the top 3 Databricks tools you must know. First tool is Delta Live Tables. Delta Live Tables is basically used to automate your data pipelines. As a traditional data pipeline, it requires a lot of data coding as well as ETL management and scheduling and cleaning the corrupt records. DLT stands for Delta Live Tables. It's a tool inside Databricks that helps you build data pipelines automatically, which means no more manual ETL scripts. Databricks does the cleaning, transformation, and scheduling for you. The second tool is Delta Lake. Delta Lake is a reliable storage for all your data. Unlike the traditional data lake, Delta Lake provides you a flexibility to store asset transactions, versioning, and provides a reliable storage, which means it is perfect for both streaming and batch data. If you see the Delta Lake internals, again, it's a Parquet storage. However, the asset transactions which were not available as part of data lake, it provides you all those flexibilities. The third and the most important tool is Unity Catalog, which gives you the governance and permissions. It's a single source of truth where you can see all your catalogs in one go. It manages data, provides you data governance, gives you permissions over the tables, and provides you data lineage all in one place. If you found this video useful, follow us for more such quick data tips and tech explainers. Like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.